How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And a quick video just to explain why NordVPN no longer has any Russian servers. And this isn't recent. This was back in 2019. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in learning more about NordVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, be sure to check the full review down below. And you'll also find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to take advantage of the discounts while they last. Okay, so if we go ahead and look up any Russian servers here, you won't find any with NordVPN. And the reason for that is, of course, the following. Now, just to read the headline here, NordVPN shuts down its Russian servers. And this was back in 2019. Okay, so the Federal Service for Supervision of Communications, Information Technology, and Mass Media has given the world's leading VPN providers 30 days to provide the Russian government with access to any servers located in Russia. Their immediate goal is to prevent users from viewing content that the Russian government has blacklisted. However, compliance would also mean complying with other requirements detailed in a broader Internet Control Law. The Russian government is working to regulate the flow of information within its borders. And of course, NordVPN's response: NordVPN is unable to comply with this request as we would have to violate the service agreement we've made with our customers. And of course, the agreement is that they provide online security, they provide online privacy, and they provide online freedom. Now, what this means is, of course, that they shredded their servers within Russia. And it also means that if you are in Russia, you might have to change the configurations in order to continue using NordVPN within Russia. And it also means if you're outside of Russia and you're trying to use NordVPN to access Russian content, you won't be able to do that anymore. So I hope that answered you guys' questions. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. And of course, be sure to check the links in the description for the full review and the links to special deals and discounts to NordVPN. So besides that, like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.